Maurice here, back for another Power Pack training. Welcome everybody to another training. Today we're going to talk about something that's very powerful and that can absolutely change your life. So I want you guys to really tune into this, okay? Get your pen and piece of paper. Once this is over with, I want you to implement. We're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should be making cold calls if you want to hit $10,000 a month in your agency, okay? Perhaps you have an agency, perhaps you're dibbling and dabbling and you're thinking about getting started in SMMA. Perhaps you're looking for a second source of income and you want to get clients, okay? You want more clients, you want to fire your job. This is a video you need to watch. 5 reasons, okay, why you should be making cold calls, okay? We're going to dive into this. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, I literally went from working a warehouse to picking up the phone to making over $10,000 a month and eventually hitting 6 figures my first year, okay? No college diplomas and degrees, just a high school diploma, nothing else, okay? I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. All I had was determination and hard work. And if you have those 2 things, ladies and gentlemen, you too can get to making some big money in SMMA, even hitting $25,000, $30,000, $50,000 a month, or even $100K a month, okay, if you're really serious. So let's get into this. Why you should be making cold calls. Number 1 reason, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is this is what cold calling do. It gets you out of your comfort zone, okay? This is very, very important, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get rich, if you want to hit that 10K or 5K or maybe 3K per month, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you got to get outside of your comfort zone, okay? This is where most people stay at, all right, in the comfort zone. They're doing the same thing, okay? Let's just put down same thing, all right? Here's where all the money's at, all right? It's outside of your comfort zone. You got to do different stuff. Also, let me just add this as a caveat. When you get outside of your comfort zone, ladies and gentlemen, this is the same thing, or your comfort zone. This is getting out of your comfort zone. And what most people don't understand is that in order for you to break procrastination, laziness, okay? A lot of you guys are lazy. You're unmotivated. You've been watching all the videos, but here's the truth of the matter. You're doing nothing. All you're doing, excuse me, is consuming a bunch of information and your bank account is still the same. I'm tired of that. It's time for you guys to pick the phone up, all right, and make some money, all right? Plain and simple. You need to pick the phone up, all right? And this is why you need to do it, because it's going to help you to stop being lazy, all right? It's going to give you a new activity. Folks, when I was working a warehouse job, doing the same thing, making $10 an hour, that was a comfort zone. When I went from a comfort zone to a new one, ladies and gentlemen, I started making more money, okay? I did something different. My paradigm changed. And if you want to change your paradigm, ladies and gentlemen, you got to start making cold calls so that you can break laziness, so you can break fears. When the way fear disappears, ladies and gentlemen, is when you take action. When you take action. A lot of you guys aren't taking action and you wonder why you're still afraid of the phone, because you won't do it. Once you do it, you're going to find out it's simple. And you're going to say, Maurice, I'm so glad that I did the activity, okay? Number 2, ladies and gentlemen, you get clients, all right? You get clients, okay? It's the fastest, all right, way, all right? Cold calling is the fastest way to get clients, all right? You can literally get a client today, tomorrow, this week, this month, if you pick up the phone, all right? All right, so reason number 2 is that you can get clients. The reason why most people have 0 clients, ladies and gentlemen, is they're not picking up the phone. They're not making enough cold calls. I hear so many people, oh, I made 4 cold calls and that was it. 4 cold calls and you want to make $10,000 a month? It ain't happening. You should be making a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day picking up the phone, talking to about 5 to 20 clients, potential clients daily, okay, if you want to get clients, all right? But it's the fastest way. So if you want clients, guess what, folks? Pick up the phone. Now, most of you guys are probably saying, well, Maurice, I don't know how. You need to click the link in the description. You guys can grab the ICP course where I go over and show you how to crush it using the phone, all right? Number 2, all right, or number 3, excuse me, all right? You can hit that beautiful 10K per month, all right? A lot of you guys want to fire your job and get new automobiles and new house. This is the way you do it. You hit $10,000 a month by picking up the phone. Let me just put that there. By picking up the phone, folks. This is how you get to $10,000 a month. It's simple. You set aside 1 to 2 hours a day. You work it religiously, Monday through Saturday, all right? And you don't stop. Eventually, what's going to happen over a 30-day period, folks, you're going to start picking up 3 or 4 clients. The beautiful thing about this, ladies and gentlemen, let's say you get 3 clients and they're paying you $2K per month, all right? $2K per month, ladies and gentlemen, comes out to what? 10,000? Excuse me. 6,000, 6K, okay? 6K per month, all right? Let's say you do that in 2 months. That's $12,000 a month, all right? And that's just minimally, okay, of doing 30 to 60 days, all right? I know most people, and I know even me, when I was working a dead-end job, they wasn't paying me 6K a month, all right? It was about 3K, okay, a month, all right? When everything got done, it was less than that after the taxes and all that, okay? So anyway, you get to $10,000 a month, and that's what everybody wants to get to, but nobody wants to pick up the phone. And if you're not going to pick up the phone, then guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You're going to have to find another strategy, all right? Emails and Facebook and all the other stuff. But keep in mind, this is the fastest way. And a lot of you guys just don't have time. You've already wasted 2020, 2019. You've already wasted all this time, and you're still stuck. And it's time for you to get unstuck. Then the only way to get unstuck is to pick up the phone, all right? Number 4, all right? Number 4, ladies and gentlemen, is skills. You improve, all right? This is key. Your skills, all right? A lot of your skill sets are bad, all right? And it helps with sales, all right? Because it's the beautiful thing about cold calling is that, like I said, it moves you out of your comfort zone, but you start to get better. You build a skill set. Cold calling is a skill that if you develop it, you can make money at will. Folks, I can literally make money at will with this one skill. Now, I know a lot of other stuff that can generate me revenue, but I know one thing. If I want to pick up, an extra $10,000 a month, I know all I got to do is set aside a couple weeks, pick up a couple clients, and I can make money. Why? Because I have a skill. And the reason why most of you guys aren't making money, you have no skills. You need to develop a skill set, and cold calling or picking up the phone helps you to do that. You know, that's that old cliche, it takes skills to pay the bills, is so true. Why do they pay LeBron James, $30 million a year? The guy has skill. Tiger Woods has skills. Some of the other gurus, the reason why they make money is they have a skill set. And I'm teaching you guys. That's why I say get courses and invest in yourself, because what Maurice is doing, Uncle Maurice, is teaching you a skill set. Okay? It's important for you to understand that this skill, ladies and gentlemen, okay, is something that if you develop it, I know it can get you out of a job, because it did for me. I know you don't need a college education or to be born with some type of innate talents. You don't need that. All you need is determination, hard work, invest in Mind University, get the courses, get the trainings, get the coaching you need, and get on that phone and make you some money. Okay. Lastly, this is something important. All right. And I talk about this a lot. You're helping people. All right. The reason why most people don't feel good, ladies and gentlemen, is because they're not serving. Okay. The reason why people are depressed, you were put here to serve and to help and to contribute to society. Okay. Now it's a beautiful thing that I, make thousands and thousands of dollars a month in my SMMA agency. But the most rewarding thing about what I do, folks, is I'm helping businesses. I'm helping people to help other people because they provide jobs, and that makes me feel good. Some people say, Maurice, why do you still put out videos? Man, I'm here to serve you guys and to help you guys get to where you need to be so that you can possibly help other people. No, I'm not going to sit on an island with a coconut in my hand, make thousands of dollars and not give back. That's not what I'm put here to do. I'm put here to serve. And when you solve problems, ladies and gentlemen, you help people, you make money. Let's talk about that again. When you solve problems, see, we're solving problems by helping business owners get results using social media or Google or Bing or whatever, okay? When you make money, okay, it's because you solved the problem. When you want a drill, you go to Home Depot and you buy a drill. And the reason why you pay Home Depot for that drill is they're helping you solve a problem, which you need a hole. Okay, you need to drill something. All right. So the key to making a lot of money in life is to find a problem and solve it. Let me say that again. You find a problem and you solve it. And when you solve a problem, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? You get rewarded with money. And guess what? You feel good. I feel so good to talk to clients, and I've helped their business, increase by 100% because of my social media marketing agency. Okay. It feels good to let me know that I'm helping businesses that are hiring people that can't start a business, but they can get a job. Now they can feed their children and they can have a roof over their head, and it just snowballs. Okay. And so that's why people are depressed, because they're not doing nothing. When you do nothing, you don't feel good about yourself. If you want to feel good about yourself in depression and, all the stuff that people go through, get out there and help somebody. Get out there and serve. Get on the phone. Have fun. You guys know I have fun on the phone, okay? Because I know I'm helping people. All right? So if you want to feel good inside, ladies and gentlemen, pick the phone up. Okay, so let's recap. Number one, it gets you out of your comfort zone, helps you to get rid of procrastination, laziness, fears, phobias, anxiety. You want to get rid of that crap? Pick the phone up, okay? Number two, it's the fastest way to get clients. It's nothing like I can grab a phone right now and literally be in front of a client, giving them some information they can look at, and then calling them back, closing the deal, and having them as a new client. It's the fastest way. Okay, you want to hit $10,000 a month? Number three, you need to be making cold calls. It'll help you to get to $10,000 a month. Like I said before, if you got 3 clients, ladies and gentlemen, that's $6,000. You get 3 clients at $2K a month, it's 6 G's. Okay, $6,000 a month. All right, even if you dumb that down and you charge $1,000, that's still $3K a month. And you do that in 60 days, it gets still $6,000. That'll get most of you guys out of a 9-to-5, improve your skills. Okay, you got to have skills if you want to make money. So it helps you improve your skills. And lastly, you're helping businesses. You're contributing to society, and it makes you feel better. It gets you undepressed. The reason why you guys are depressed is because you're not doing nothing. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has helped you. Okay, if it has, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Continue to support the channel, subscribe. I always put out fire for you guys. My goal is to help you hit 6 figures and beyond, okay? If you guys want to do cold calling at the next level, you're tired of your job, you're tired of bills, invest in Mind University. Grab the course, implement it, okay, so that you can get the benefits, the 5 benefits or the 5 reasons you need to pick this phone up, okay? Make sure you guys comment too. Let me know what you thought. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.